Now, AMC is releasing some preliminary earnings report data, and we see that we're back in pre-2020 profit levels. That means that AMC right now is doing just as well as they did before all of the shutdowns took place, and this is looking very good for the fundamentals of AMC. Now, here's where it gets a little tricky. There's a lot of people out there saying that now AMC is a fundamental play. That stocks don't move like this if they're not based on fundamentals. Now, I want to toe the line very carefully here because AMC is not a fundamental play. Don't start to get confused about AMC being a fundamental play. You have to remember that AMC stock is a short squeeze. We are here not because we believe in the fundamentals of AMC. I am here because I believe that the shorts will cover. And when they do, if we hold the stock, it will go up. Now, this is bittersweet because we saw some serious gains pre-market. We saw some serious gains at one point during the day. And then we closed at $16 and so on, giving back a lot of the gains we saw earlier. Let's talk about why. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit is going to get you at least 3 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys do want crypto exclusive, you got Gemini, Binance, and Crypto.com in the description as well. But guys, AMC reporting some fantastic numbers. Revenue beating expectations. Positive EBITDA. That's earnings before interest and taxes, depreciation, and amortization. They've got some great news out there, which basically puts AMC, the company, at I don't even know if I can say pandemic levels, but pre-2020 levels, right? And that is excellent news if you are investing in the fundamentals of AMC. That's great. Now, clearly, the market cap right now is still much higher than it was pre-2020 levels. I don't know. I'm going to get flagged for anything. So, knowing that, it is in a good position. And Adam Aron and the executives over at AMC, they're very happy that they are sitting on liquid assets in excess of $1.8 billion. That's a lot of money. They do have a lot of debt, but that's a lot of money. Where did that money come from? It came from diluting the stock. It came from retail investors like you and me buying AMC, the price of AMC going up to levels that if you guys go check all of the filings out there for AMC, the levels that the insiders at AMC considered much beyond the valuation of AMC. And they let everybody know in these filings that they had. They diluted the shares. They took advantage of the discrepancy. They arbitraged the price. They knew it was worth something, and they sold it when it was worth more. And they did that until they have no shares, no authorized shares left to issue. And now they are sitting on $1.8 billion in liquid assets. So they got theirs. Now it's time for us to get ours. The company is performing phenomenally. Adam Aron and the executives at AMC, they have sold their shares. They have sold AMC shares to the point where they are sitting on plenty of cash to continue doing business as usual now with no concerns whatsoever. Spider-Man was a big part of the revenue that AMC Entertainment experienced in the fourth quarter. Don't forget that. They had a blockbuster film in Spider-Man breaking all sorts of records. But moving on from that, what does that mean for us? A lot of people are starting to kind of transition the storyline to get people to think that AMC is a fundamental play now. It's a value play. No, it's not. Okay? No, it's not. It still has a long way to go before they clean up their balance sheet. Their income statement is looking better. Their income statement is starting to reach these levels that are acceptable. Their balance sheet still needs some cleaning up. Now, knowing that, we have a decision to make. And one of the reasons, let's talk about the decision in a second. One of the reasons that AMC rose and then fell today on 120 plus million shares being traded is not because people ate it up as a value play with AMC and long-term holders piling in to own a company that is increasing in value. It's because traders saw an earnings release, a preliminary earnings release, and they took advantage of that. They bought it early, they bought it pre-market. Then there was a big sell-off. As soon as the market opened, people took their profits. They bought back in on that dip. Then it went back up $18 plus. And then they sold that one as well. So the day traders poured in today. Those that buy and sell poured into AMC stock today. And they bought and sold and bought and sold. There were no diamond hands among them. They had no intentions of holding AMC stock long term. They wanted to take advantage of a very quick profit, and they did. And that's why we saw the volatility that we saw today with AMC up and back down and up and back down. And that type of action is going to continue taking place until the squeeze happens and beyond the squeeze happening. What we need to focus on is why we came here in the first place. Guys, I see so much division and so much people tearing people apart. You know, Reddit, Twitter is the new Reddit. All right, people just if you're not a part of their gang, who are you? Twitter is becoming the new Reddit for AMC stock. I remember a time when people were encouraging, when people were just waiting for that life-changing money to happen. Now people are looking for every opportunity to blame somebody else for the fact that AMC is not at $70 per share anymore. For the fact that AMC has been coming down with the overall market for quite some time now. It's everybody's looking to blame somebody else. And nobody's out there encouraging and focusing on the fact that we are still sitting on a gold mine if and when these short shares cover. And I say if, because if we start to develop the mentality that AMC is over, or that AMC can't squeeze past these levels, or we've been holding AMC too long, you know what happens when you go to sell during the squeeze? You limit the upside potential. And if we continue this division, and we continue this hatred, and we continue all of this tearing down of different people, then all we're going to see is a little squeeze. The unity that we had at the beginning gave us the potential for unlimited numbers. If we do not get back to that, it's not going to be what people expect. I know you don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear the fact that AMC is a fundamental play. But I want to see people encouraging others. I want to see people excited about the unlimited potential of AMC. And I want to see people willing to hold the stock more than a 5 to 10% gain. So guys, I want to know what you're wanting to see in the comments below. Just get your expectations out there. Be honest. Be legitimate. And be encouraging. Now, if this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will buy and ship at crypto.com in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.